Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this quick video guys, we are going to fix the issue entry point is not found in Windows 10, 11, 7 and 8 as well. So without wasting our time, open the Google Chrome simply, and on the search bar you need to type a redistributable image download 2013. Open the link and go to choose your language here as download option. Choose 64-bit, download it, and now run this exe simply. Once you have run it successfully, in my case I have already installed that, but once you run it successfully, just restart your system and your issue will be fixed. You can also try 2015 redistributable image as well as the latest one. You can try all of them. If nothing is working, so you can try here 64-bit, and thereafter your issue will be fixed guys. And also you need to hit the command sfc /scan now. This will repair the Windows corruption, as well as the disk command. Disk command is this one, restore health command. Okay, so we can follow 2 steps to run the disk command. Well, let me give you the command here. You can see here, this is the command, restore health, scan health. Just you need to type here only restore health. Hit enter. Once you hit enter, just restart your system once it is done, sfc and this command, and this will repair the remaining related issues. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.